The comeback is personal. You don't need applause. You don't need likes, followers, or validation. You need fire. You need something to prove, not to the world, but to yourself. Because the comeback, it's personal. You wake up every day carrying something no one else can see. They don't know your battles. They don't feel the pressure. They don't hear the doubt screaming in your silence. But you do, and that's enough. You've been knocked down by life, by people, maybe by your own choices. But you're still breathing, still standing, still thinking about how to turn it all around. And that right there, that thought, is your first win. People gave up on you. So what? You gave up on yourself for a while too, but not anymore. Because now you've seen what quitting really looks like, and it doesn't sit right with your soul. So now you're moving different. Quiet, focused, unshakable, alone, in silence, while nobody's watching. This isn't about revenge. It's not about proving anyone wrong. It's about respect. Self-respect. You looked in the mirror and said, no more running, no more blaming, no more waiting. Because the comeback starts the second you stop making excuses and start making moves. You've had low moments, regrets, times you thought, I should have been better than that. That's real. Own it. But don't stay there. Nobody walks through fire without scars, but some choose to keep walking anyway. You didn't break. You bent so far you thought it was over, but here you are, piecing yourself back together, stronger, sharper, harder to kill, because this comeback isn't for the haters, or the doubters, or the ones who walked away. It's for you. It's about becoming someone you're proud to be. You had a vision, then life hit you blind. Family went cold, money disappeared, friends got fake, motivation dried up. But something inside wouldn't quit. That whisper in your chest kept saying, keep going. Not like this. Not like this. You tried to drown it out with distractions, noise, people. But it kept coming back louder. Now you know. You can't run from who you are. You're a fighter. Maybe not with fists, but with heart, with grit, with the refusal to stay down. This comeback is built on sleepless nights, quiet mornings, and that one moment when you said, I'm not folding. You weren't supposed to make it this far, but you did, and now you're writing the best part of the story. Don't talk about it, be about it. Don't wish, work, let them talk. While they scroll, you lift. While they doubt, you build. Because here's the truth. People only notice the comeback when it's done, when the lights are on, when the trophy's in hand. But you see it in the dark, in the sweat, in the silence, in the no to comfort, in the yes to one more rep, one more page, one more day. That's what they'll never understand. The pain, that was the down payment. The tears, the tax, the failure, the tuition. You paid in full. And now, the reward is coming. Maybe not today, maybe not next week, but it's on the way. The universe pays those who don't quit. When you walk in the room, you don't have to say a word. People feel it. They feel the energy, the scars, the strength. They feel what you've survived. And yeah, maybe you're still in it, still climbing, still learning, but you're not who you were. You've evolved. You've earned your place in this moment. So stop shrinking. Stop apologizing for chasing greatness. The world owes you nothing, but it will always respond to effort. You're not finished. You're not too late. You're not too broken. You are a comeback story in progress. Write every chapter like it's your last. Show up hungry. Show up focused. Show up scared if you have to. Just show up. Nobody's handing you the crown. You've got to take it. Every second of hesitation is a second lost. Start, move, building work, and then work again. And when you start to rise, really rise, don't be surprised when the noise gets louder. People will question your motives. They'll talk behind your back. They'll say you changed. You didn't change. You evolved. You leveled up. And that makes them uncomfortable because you remind them of what they're not doing. You're living proof that excuses are choices, and hustle always drowns out hype. Let them whisper. Let them doubt. While they talk, you build. Quietly, relentlessly. They're chasing approval. You're building legacy. This comeback, it's not pretty, it's not polished, it's brutal. It's early mornings running on fumes. It's late nights full of questions. It's dragging yourself out of the pit with nothing but pure will. It's doing the right thing with no applause. It's stacking wins when the big win feels a mile away. It's not sexy, it's gritty, it's real, and it's worth every second. People romanticize overnight success, but the truth, there is no overnight. There's only overwork, overcommitment, overgrind. You'll go unnoticed, uncelebrated, unthanked, until you can't be ignored anymore. And when that day comes, don't stop. Keep going, because this isn't the final chapter. This is your origin story. You're not just coming back. You're here to dominate, to reclaim, to rebuild. This time with focus, this time with fire. A fire hot enough to burn through every lie they told you. You are not a mistake. You are not your past. You are not a lost cause. You are a force, a walking example of what happens when pain meets persistence. And when people ask what changed, you'll tell them, I got tired of waiting. Tired of losing. One day I looked in the mirror and said, this is on me. All of it. And from that moment on, I never looked back. Because that's the truth. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your friends, not your job, not your family. You gotta save you. You've gotta believe before there's proof. Trust that if you do the work and never fold, the comeback will happen. Not by luck, not by accident, by choice. Your choice. And don't wait for the right moment, that's the trap. The moment is never perfect. You have to move anyway, grind anyway, build, grow, fight, heal anyway. Even when your back's against the wall, even when your heart's in pieces, even when everything inside you screams, give up, don't give them the satisfaction. Don't give your past the final word. Don't let fear write your future. This comeback is about one thing, reclaiming your power. One step, one representative, one day at a time. You're not chasing perfection, you're chasing progress. And as long as you move, even slowly, you're winning. They don't know what it took just to get out of bed. They don't know what it costs to keep showing up. But you do. And one day, it all clicks. One day, you break through. And when that happens, don't play small. Be grateful. Be focused. Be relentless. Because the comeback doesn't end when you rise. It ends when you help someone else rise too. When someone looks at you and says, because of you, I didn't quit. That's the real win. That's the real legacy. Let's be real. The comeback isn't just sweat and motivation. Sometimes it's tears, the quiet kind. The ones you cry alone when there's no one left to fake strong for. When the weight of everything feels like it might crush you. When the pressure eats away at your mind and makes you question everything. Your path, your worth, your whole damn identity. In those moments, you have two options, break or break through. This is where most people fold. They confuse pain with defeat, but not you, not this time. Because now you understand, pain is the path. Discomfort is the signal. Struggle is the fuel. Champions aren't built in the spotlight, they're built in the dark, where giving up would have been easier. You made a choice to fight, that matters. This comeback was born in silence, built in the dark, when no one cheered, when no one believed, when even you could barely hold on. But you showed up, every day, every damn day. Tired? Good, you're working. Sore? Good, you're growing. Scared? Good, you're about to level up. Comfort is a trap, it lies to you, tells you you're fine where you are. But fine doesn't change lives. Fine doesn't make history. You don't want fine, you want transformation, and that never comes easy. You want the comeback, then sweat for it, cry for it, bleed for it, want it more than you want to breathe, because this world doesn't reward potential, it rewards proof. So give it, prove you're not done, prove failure was the setup, prove rock bottom was the launch pad. You've come too far to stop now, not here, not this close. You don't need permission, you don't need perfect timing. You don't need anyone's approval, you just need a reason. And if you're honest with yourself, you've already got one. Maybe it's your kids, maybe it's your name, maybe it's that promise you made to yourself that you'd never live like that again. Whatever it is, lock in. Let it ground you when life tries to shake you. Let it carry you when your legs feel heavy. Let it remind you why you started. When comfort shows up dressed like peace, they won't get it. They won't understand why you push like this, why you train like this, why you grind in silence and rise before the sun. But they don't have to, because this comeback, it's not for them. It's for you, for the version of you that felt small, the one they said wasn't enough, the one they laughed at, the one they forgot, the one who almost gave up. You owe that version everything. You owe them this. And that's why this comeback hits different. Because this time, it's not about hope. It's about fire. You're not asking for a seat at the table. You're building your own. You're not dreaming about it anymore. You're doing it. And no, it won't be easy. You'll want to quit 1,000 times, but you won't, because now you know what you're made of. And here's the truth. When the comeback is personal, the win becomes permanent. Don't confuse slow progress with no progress. You think you're stuck? You're not. You're grinding through the part most people run from, the hard, boring, repetitive, unglamorous part. That's where the foundation gets built, where the storm becomes fuel, where champions get carved out of the mud. You want to be exceptional? Then show up when it's dull, when no one's watching, when there's no applause, no credit, no spotlight, when the only one who cares is you. That's the test. That's the separator. Every comeback starts with a decision, a moment when you say, I don't care how long it takes. I don't care how ugly it gets. I'm not going back. I'm not breaking down. I'm building, right here, right now. That's the shift. Not motivation, not hype, discipline. You won't always feel ready. You don't need to. You just need to act. Do what needs to be done, not what feels easy. Because what feels good now can rob you later. But what feels hard now, that's the stuff that pays off forever. And when it gets heavy, and it will, breathe. Focus on one step, one action, one win, then stack another and another. That's how you build momentum. That's how you build you. Every step forward is proof. The old you is gone. Gone is the version that second-guessed everything. Gone is the one who craved approval. Gone is the one who settled, played small, or gave up too soon. That version is dead. This question mark, this is the rise, the rebirth. From this moment on, it's personal. No one else needs to see it. No one else needs to believe in it. Because you're not chasing people. You're chasing your potential, and you're catching up fast. Let them sleep. Let them doubt. Let them change the subject when you talk about your comeback. You'll be the one they remember when they need a reason not to quit. Because this is what happens when you lean into the pain. When you turn every no, every locked door, every sleepless night into fuel. When you show up with a hunger that makes people who gave up on themselves uncomfortable. You become unbreakable, not because you don't feel pain, but because you've made peace with it. You understand greatness isn't handed out, it's earned. With early mornings, with broken pride, with failure after failure, and the guts to try again. You want a life you're proud of? Build it. You want confidence? Earn it. Through reps, through sweat, through choices that make no sense to anyone but you. They don't know your fight. They don't know what it took just to stand. They don't see how hard it is to keep believing when everything is falling apart. But you do, and that's what makes you dangerous. This comeback isn't for applause. It isn't for headlines. It's for the nights you didn't quit, the mornings you kept going, the promise you made to yourself, and you're doing it. Quietly, powerfully, relentlessly. This comeback is personal, and it's already in motion. You don't owe the world an explanation. You owe yourself results. Let them talk. Let them misunderstand you. Let them write you off again. That's what they do. They don't know what it's like to fight back when everything's stacked against you. They don't know what it takes to rebuild from nothing. But you do, and that's your edge. You're not afraid of the hard road anymore. You've crawled it, bled on it, fallen flat, cried into the dirt, then stood up with nothing but breath and belief. That's real power. You lost people along the way. Good, not everyone's built for the storm. Some were just tourists in your struggle. Let them go. Bless them. Then double down on you, because this isn't about them. It's about who you become when there's no exit but through, when comfort dies, when average feels like failure, when survival isn't enough and you decide to demand more. Comebacks don't start with confidence, they start with conviction. With I'm done wasting time, with no more waiting for perfect conditions. You know what happens when you wait? You rot, you shrink, you forget what you're capable of. So stop waiting, start moving, get angry at your own excuses, get disgusted by your own stagnation. Move, just to prove your past self wrong. That's when things shift, when discipline outruns doubt, when your grind drowns out guilt, when your vision roars louder than your fear. Momentum shows up quietly. It's not pretty. It's not perfect. But it's real. One habit, one promise kept, one early alarm you didn't snooze, and suddenly, you're not the same person anymore. You're not coming back. You're rising. You're not asking, can I? You're declaring, watch me. You're not waiting on a break. You're breaking barriers. And every time you show up when it's hard, when it hurts, when quitting whispers in your ear, you prove something important. The old you is gone, buried, replaced by someone who stared into darkness and kept going. You're no longer defined by what broke you. You're defined by what you've built from the rubble. They counted you out, underestimated, ignored, overlooked, perfect. Because while they sleep on you, you're building something they won't be able to ignore. They think you're still down, still broken, still the same. Let them. You're not here to convince anyone. You're here to build something unstoppable. And when you step into your power, don't dim it, don't shrink, don't apologize. You've suffered in silence long enough. Now it's time to win out loud.